Hello, it's Madam Eileen, and I love learning. I do balloon twisting, face painting, a little bit of magic, and today I am experimenting and learning how to use Swarovski crystals. This is my source. I get it from artbeads.com, and this particular crystal is called Swarovski 2058. The Zillion Rose Enhanced Flatback Crystal, and its size is 1.7 millimeters. When I ordered them, they came in this really cool package. Ooh la la! It's a beautiful purple tissue. It has their card with a coupon so I can get more beautiful crystals. This project's going so well, I do want to buy more. Every time I opened the tissue, there was another piece of tape to move. They package it very well. And when I got to the inside, I ended up with this styrofoam packaging. And I opened it up. And inside it was a package. I got 300 crystals for my project. They're tiny. They're going to spread out. I don't know how far I'm going to get. I'm thinking I might need more. So once you get your flat backs, the next step is to get the right adhesive. I got this at a craft store. It's E6000. And I'm told that this is the best stuff to use while putting these beautiful stones on an outfit. I'm told that the term for putting these crystals on an outfit is called stoning. So I'm doing this for my son's figure skating outfit. So my son's outfit is going to get stoned. So you want to let it, once you have this on, you need to let it dry flat for 8 hours. But since I live in Arizona, it's very dry and we have very good sunlight. I'm going to set this outside in the sun and get it to dry just a little bit faster. Some people buy craft syringes to apply this, but look what I found. I found a bottle of E60 with a pointed tip. Now, what if you don't have a lot of money? Doing this on a budget? I face paint, so I have a lot of face paint brushes. This is my favorite face paint brush. It is a Lowell Cornell, so old that it's worn off the side, but it has a very nice rounded tip. I have a lot of poster putty from putting my kids' art on the wall. So I just took some blue putty, massaged it so it feels tacky, and I pushed that right on the end of my paintbrush. And now I have a crystal picker-upper. I'm following the swirls on this fabric. I'm starting at a point and then going wide. I'm going to move the camera just a little bit. What I'm going to do here, I'm still deciding how far I'm going to go. But I think for right now, I am going to just apply a little pressure at this end of the glue. And you can see the glue, there it is, it's traveling to the tip. I put just a little dot, evenly spaced. It's helpful that this fabric has all these nice little dots so I can get even spacing. The reason why you want to use Swarovski crystals rather than any other less expensive rhinestone is that you cannot beat the fire that these little gems, they may be tiny, but you'll see later on videos of my son skating that he can be 40 feet away and you will still see the shiny gleam of these crystals. Other rhinestones, you have to be pretty close in order to get the dazzle effect. But these are powerful crystals. Oh, this is for my son, so I have, oh, I see, I've now left the screen. One more. All right. So I put a bead of glue. Put a bead of glue. I got that spoonerism going. Okay, so now I'm going to shake out just a few of my crystals. Spread them out, and the ones that are already flipped the right way, I'll pick those up first. So I'm going to take the tacky end of the poster putty on the end of my paint brush and just touch it enough to pick up the crystal. You can see that there, it's picked up. I'm going to see if I can get a little closer. All right, so now I go through a bead of glue and I just tap it down and it lifts up. There we go. Now we're going to pick another. Tap it down. And some more. Oops, I pick up. Nope, sometimes I have to check to make sure. I didn't have to buy any special applicator. I just used a poster putty and something with a narrow tip. You put the glue down first, and so as the glue sits and gets a little tacky, it actually grabs a hold of the bead better. Don't wait too long. You don't want that adhesive to dry out. Oh, that time I only got glue. Yes. Check and make sure that you have your bead. Should glue get on the top of the bead, it won't shine as brilliant because it has been blocked. Now to flip these, sometimes it's tricky, so sometimes you just want to move around, let them flip just naturally. Let chance take a play of the action and flip the crystals for you. And then if you have bad luck, sometimes you'll be trying to flip it forever. So I am laying down this line of crystal. Sometimes I have to chase it. I'm going to finish putting the glue dots that I have on here, finish topping them all with a crystal, and then I'll show you the next step. I tap it down. Let's see, this bag of 300 crystals, I got them on sale, so if you order more than 50, they're only 4 cents each. I think normally they're 7 cents each. But there's always sales and promotions. I would like to try doing this with a larger bead. But because my son is a boy, you want to keep them small and tasteful. You don't want to totally overwhelm him. Son's been skating for 2 years. This is his first competition. We're doing California Games, hosting it here in Chandler, Arizona. know what happened to that last crystal. One last crystal. Nope. Right there. Got a double crystal. I do lots of sewing, so I use what I have. Pins. I'm gonna straighten it. So I'm here. I got two. Let's see. I have two little crystals side by side. There we go. I don't want that one. So now that I have crystals on here, I tap it down with the back of my pen. But you know what would work better than the pen? An eraser on the back of a pencil from school. Oh yeah, that is much better. There's a flat space on the very top of the crystal. And that makes it really good for centering and pressing it down so the adhesive and the bead can get a good grip. And for these, I'm trying to start as a fan. So I'm going to start at a narrow point and then have them spread out. But that is how I put beads. So 8 hours from now, I can wear this, and in 72 hours, I can wash it. Thank you for tuning in and watching me learn to bead using Swarovski Crystals and E6000. I like this because it actually has that applicator tip already on it, and the cap, center of the cap, it has a little cup in the center, so it can get a nice airtight clip, so I can use this for the next project. Happy beading, everybody! Always learn something new.